When working with data presentation in PowerPoint 365, using SmartArt can greatly enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your content. SmartArt allows you to organize and display information in a structured way using predefined graphic layouts. Once you insert a SmartArt graphic into your slide, you may want to customize each individual element to better match your presentation's style or purpose. To do this, the Format tab becomes essential. First, click on the SmartArt graphic that you want to modify. When the SmartArt is selected, a contextual tab called Format will appear in the ribbon. This tab gives you access to various tools that let you individually customize each shape or section within the SmartArt. From the Format tab, you can change the color of individual shapes, adjust font size and type, and add or remove borders. This level of customization allows you to align the SmartArt design with the rest of your presentation and your intended message. It is particularly useful when you want to highlight certain parts of the diagram or make the design consistent with your report theme. By understanding and using the Format tab effectively, you can take full control of the visual design of your SmartArt elements in PowerPoint. This helps improve the professionalism and clarity of your slides when sharing information visually.